What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we did pretty well. We made $1,400 on TQQ. I haven't posted a few videos. I haven't been trading as much, but I actually lost $3,000 last week, and I was up 9K on the year. Now I'm up 8,600. So still doing good, but overall, TQQ took some of our gains last week, and I sold them into the weakness. And today was a very choppy day. I did well. I got lucky, but it didn't start off like this. If you look, I think it'll show it. I was down 1,200 or 1,400 at one point. There it is. Boom. Down 1164 at one point in the game. And I was trading TQQ. And let me just show you really quick. So this was, following a stop loss, but it got away from me too quick. So what happened was I bought this consolidation right here because I saw the RSI down here coming down and it was in like the 40 range and it was a bad trade. I got flushed down in this here, but with 2,000 shares, selling at a 60-cent loss, you're going to lose $1,100-$1,200. So I got flushed down right here. I thought it was going to break out. I tried to buy up here and I thought it was going to break 58.5 and, for continuation up to 59. Well, that did not happen. It flushed out. I market sold out of this because it just kept coming down. And this is a 1 minute candle that it went down from. This is why TQQ is very dangerous. You can see the high and the low. It went down from 58.40 down to 58, and I sold like at 57, like 9 or something. So I took a loss there. Then after market hours came, and there was this massive sell-off all the way down here. So I took the loss down 1,100, and then I said, how can I make the money up here? And what I decided to do was, just I don't know if it has it up here. Yeah, here we go. So these are the two trades right here, the plus 815 and the plus 573. I bought 20, it looks like 2,300 shares or something, around like 57. I'm sorry, $58. Held it into the after hours because I knew Amazon had earnings, and it blasted up, and I made $1,400 on the trade. Got like, I don't know, 50, 60 cents on or whatever it was. And I got out, and actually, I made more than that, more than 60 cents because I was down 1,200, and then I made that money back plus that. So if you look at it, solid, I don't know, probably got like a point or point and a half on it to get, go from negative 1,200 to plus 1,400 on the day. And it, 8,600 on the year, which was nice. But honestly, that was a very risky trade I did because we didn't know how Amazon was going to do. But, sometimes you just go with your gut. And the reason that I made this trade is because Amazon, I just felt today they sold off so much today. Like they were like 3,100 in the pre-market. And then they sold off to 2,900, and all they did was sell off the whole day. So I figured, if they have any positive news, this is going to be a huge catalyst. And look what it did. It blasted off from 2,800 up to 3,100. And I figured, let me go for it. So the reason TQQ went up was because of Amazon. So that was my saving grace right there. Amazon saved the day. It's put me up 8,600 on the year. And I decided to short one share of Amazon. I am losing on them, only one share, which is okay. But I'm shorting them at 3,120. So 3,120. I have a short position. And I also have 100 shares of SQQQ at $38. So those are my positions right now. I'm trying to see if I can make some money on them tomorrow because I feel like the market is still bearish. If you look at it over the long term and you look at the actual 6-month chart, we tested this 200 EMA here and failed. And now it's coming back down. So let's see if it makes lower lows now. So that's the reason why I have a short position in Amazon, because the Nasdaq's overall down. And we don't know what's going on with the news and everything. So we took our gains. We got lucky today. We were down 1,200, and then we ended up 1,400 positive on the day. But you don't want to have swings like that. That just means that your trading's not that good that day. I was very fortunate to go red to green. But, I was down 1,200, and then I came back. I made that trade later on, 8 hours later. So sometimes the market offers opportunities, and it works out. But it doesn't always work out. It could have went just as bad. So just want to fill you in on the gains. I haven't been making too many videos just because I haven't been able to trade as much, but we tried today and we were successful. We got a little more green, which is good. So, we're getting back. We're trying to get to that 10,000 mark. I'm going to add these gains to FDRV. I have a total, I think, of like 7K invested. I want to get them up to $10,000. I want to be all of my gains into FDRV up to 10,000, and then I'll work on the next ETF because I have an average cost around $26 on FDRV. So we're going to try to average down, but I'm going to try to buy tomorrow at 21.9. I set my buy order for $1,400 at 21.9. So if it sells off, I'll buy it at a low. And that'll be good. I'm holding this for, 20, 30 years because I think electric vehicles will be the future. So that's it. I just want to update you on how it went today. Those were the trades. Very choppy today. And, you got to follow the stop loss because if I didn't follow that stop loss earlier, I would be down huge today because actually I wouldn't, right, if I just held it. But who knows if I actually would have held it when it went from $59 down to 56. So you just got to be very careful. TQQ moves like crazy, but it's my favorite ETF to trade. So just want to fill you in on my day and how it went. And overall went okay, but wild trading day. Got to be careful out there. It's very choppy and very volatile with everything that's going on.